Hello guys, welcome back in my channel. If you are new here, I'm Sylvia, and in this video you can sew a flat bottom cosmetic bag. I found the sewing pattern on handmadea.com. The pattern is free to download. You can find the links in the description box. I changed the sewing process a little to make the end result more pleasing to me. Now all you have to do is to download the pattern, print it out, glue it together and cut out. Let's go! In the downloaded document you will find two patterns, a larger one and a smaller one. The larger one will be used for the outer and the lining fabric of the cosmetic bag. The smaller one will be used for the interfacing. The original description suggests two types of interfacing. I used one, a spongy, thicker type. This provides perfect thickness. Iron the interfacing onto the outer fabric. Place your zipper down on the right side of the fabric. The teeth of the zipper should be facing downwards, then put your lining fabric down with the right sides facing each other. Clip them and sew along the zipper. Then flip it over and top stitch it. With this, every layer will be nice and neat and keep it in their place. Now do the same method with the other side too. After finishing it, very important, to keep the zipper open. I missed it and it made the turning inside out very difficult. So open the zipper and match the right sides of the outer fabric together and do the same with the lining pieces. Pin it. Sew all sides of the fabric with a 1 cm seam allowance, except for an 8-10 cm section at the bottom of the lining. We also leave out the corners. Next is time to sew the corners. I pinch the fabric together to make a straight line and match the sewing lines, then clip to secure it. Turn the bag inside out and close the lining with a 1 mm sewing line. You can decorate it as you can. I attached a 7 mm ribbon to the zipper to hold it easier. I also attached a satin ribbon bow on the front of the bag. Here is the finished piece, a beautifully shaped, spacious cosmetic bag that you can take with you anywhere. It can hold a lot of things. Thank you so much to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. If you haven't done so yet, go down below and click the subscribe button, as it's really the best way to support this channel. Have a nice period of time. Goodbye!